So in this third meditation, we're going to work with nature, with the plants, the trees, the animals, the birds, the elements of nature itself. So within this area, the Arcturians have brought down their light, a circle of light around the whole area, and the frequency within this area has been rising ever since, as they have been able to anchor here sufficiently strongly for the energies to continue of their own to expand and grow and rise. So the nature energies, of course, become ever more energized, strengthened, their vital energy increasing, and the consciousness of Gaia's kingdom is becoming strengthened. And as we spend time in nature and connecting to nature, so we find that there is much that we can receive and learn from nature herself. So wherever you might be, feel yourself, if you so wish, connecting into the nature here. If you wish, we can all move our consciousness into this area, together with the Arcturians who will guide us there. So we become aware of our circle, each one in their golden diamond light. You may begin to feel that the room that you are sitting in is beginning to spin very gently, a movement, a moving vortex around you. And as this vortex is spinning, you find yourself feeling lighter and beginning to move upwards. Helio and Juliano have brought down over our circle and each one of us a corridor of Arcturian blue light. This corridor is a corridor of protection as you begin to move upwards, as you pass through the fourth dimension, gradually rising up higher towards the fifth dimension. And we are going to move our consciousness by thought. So see in your vision, in your third eye, where you wish to move your consciousness to. And now, thought, project yourself there, through your third eye, now. So your fifth dimensional self, of course, knows how to get you there, and your higher consciousness is there. And you can also experience your third dimensional self in consciousness, present in this area. So we begin to feel the nature energies, the nature kingdom, the etheric realms. Your consciousness flows into these realms as you feel your connection, your oneness with the trees, and also with the animals, for all the animals are also ascending, and the etheric energies of nature and the etheric kingdoms are also becoming more tangible to you as your risen frequency allows you to perceive, to connect in to the etheric realms, the fairies, the undines, and so on. They have all opened into higher consciousness, and we can receive much from them. They have also suffered through the energies that man has emitted and the things that mankind has done to nature. So let us now, in our circle, as a powerful group, with all the ascended masters, archangels, and star beings, and so on, all together, let us receive the energies from the higher realms to direct healing with divine love to the plants, animals, the whole of the nature kingdoms in all its realms, as we work without effort, flowing the love from our heart, receiving from above, and radiating love and healing to all Gaia's kingdoms. Simply hold your focus, no effort to make, relaxing in the body, love flowing through your heart, the green ray also pouring through. And we also ask now for Lord Sananda to bring his energy of resurrection into the nature kingdoms. You can feel his presence here. If you so wish, you can feel him moving through you, if you wish to invite him in. See a wall of light, a circle of light surrounding the entire area. How it is filled with love and light. How many ascended masters have been able to enter. And how great transformation is taking place here. Healing and lifting. And we ask of Jesus, Sananda, and the higher realms to please bring into this area your energies to clear any disease from any of Gaia's kingdoms, the plants, the animals, the trees, the birds, we ask you please to clear any disease. See the animals and so on returning to their pristine blueprint, playful, joyful, with all their needs met. And let us now simply receive for ourselves as we sit within nature, receiving what it has to offer us. Nothing to do, nothing to get, simply to receive and allow it to come to you, allow it to be given. Your own I am presence is strengthened. Your experience of self. It's through entering into the oneness with nature that you experience your own I am consciousness. Through your feet, you connect to Gaia's heart. You connect to the crystals, the crystal kingdom, and its higher consciousness. And all comes together in perfect harmony. So let us fill with gratitude now. And together now with the Arcturians Helioa and Juliano, they lead us back into the blue corridor as we begin to return from where we came. We enter into this blue corridor, and gradually our consciousness flows back into our physical bodies, entering down through our crown in perfect alignment into our body. As we breathe within, bringing all the energies with us. The beauty of Gaia, the beauty of Mother Earth being experienced within the human self as we have opened our heart to her. We move down into our foundation, and further down to the earth beneath our feet, as we feel grounded and anchored in our dearly beloved Mother Earth. For we are learning to live this life in love and joy. There is a calmness now within me, a gentleness. And I surrender to the divine pulsing through me. So when you feel fully present within your body, aligned and grounded, you simply open your eyes when you choose.